Hi friends. So today we are going to learn about the SAP ECC to HANA migration process steps. Okay, so I'll share my screen. Hi friends. So you can see this is the document for SAP ECC to HANA migration complete process steps. I have prepared this document. So as a prerequisite steps, first step will be preparatory phase where we'll do the system requirement maintenance plan and pre-check. In system requirement, technical conversion, pre-conversion, data cleanup and closing activities. For data cleanup, we need to do our data example, operational data. Business will decide on how all data they want to take. That will be in memory database. Warm data never access or rarely access. Example, receipt of income tax data, data archiving, cleaning. How much data is relevant after migration? Example, many open production orders can be there. Is there any data required? Yes, data being summarized. If no, deactivated. If deletion possible, yes, deleted. Custom code preparation, technical migration, database migration, software update, data conversion, data customization, general ledger, new ledger accounting, material ledger, bank accounting, data functional migration, testing, and then go live. Then we have possible pre-projects, customer vendor integration, CVA implementation is a prerequisite for converting an SAP system to an S4 HANA system. Also, we have to do Fiori app activation. So first step we'll discuss in detail pre-conversion activities. In pre-conversion activities, the basis consultant needs to create a sandbox system where we need to perform dry run. Then sandbox should be the copy of the production system where realistic tests can be executed. Then basis consultant needs to apply necessary notes to enable function consultants to do the consistency check. Then function consultants do the consistency check and rectify all the errors found. And ABAP team can change the custom code and make it compatible to HANA system. Then the second major step is system conversion. Once all the errors are rectified and custom codes are changed, then we have to start the actual process of system conversion. Basis consultant again will come into picture and do the conversion with the help of SAP provided tool which is known as SVM, Software Update Manager, with the help of database migration to operation DMO. Then this tool will help basis consultant further to convert ECC system into HANA system and migrate the data from the legacy database to HANA database. Third key step will be post-conversion activities. Once conversion is done, functional consultants have to check the impact of conversion and they might need to perform some additional activities. Role started based on the above activities. Above discussion gives a brief outline of the S4 HANA conversion process. Now let us discuss the custom code management. That is the role of an ABAP team. Custom code change management can be segregated into two distinct steps. First will be decommissioning of unused custom code, and second is making the custom code ready for HANA system. In the first step, decommissioning unused custom ABAP code is as SAP recommends we should decommission the unused custom codes, not the other way around. We should not try to make change to code to make it HANA ready first. Second reason being simple that will eventually help us, and we don't have to work on objects where which are not used anymore. The SAP has been suggesting a few tools for some time on how to identify the custom codes that are not in use anymore. For example, usage procedure, SQL monitor, ABAP call monitor are to name few of it. There are a lot of SAP mentors writing blogs about these tools, and you will have plenty of resources over the internet which describe the way of to use these tools. However, you don't have to use all these tools. After going through the pile of blogs articles, we found that SCMON is the latest T code, and use of this T code is sufficiently to identify the custom codes which are being used and which are not. Then purpose of the ABAP call monitor is to monitor the execution and usage of custom ABAP code, that is program, functional module, method calls, etc. in the productive system. The advantage of SCMON compared to the UPL in SAP Solution Manager is that using this tool will not only collect the user data, however, frequently specific ABAP object is called, but also the information about the calling business process. Therefore, as a result, of the monitoring, we get list of business transactions along with the all ABAP objects that have been called within these business transactions, including number of calls. Doesn't it sound easy? Allow us to make it a bit complicated. So these are the key ECC to HANA migration steps I have discussed here. Hope this will help you in learning this process of how to migrate from ECC to HANA. These are the key steps.